The Ulster Folk Museum is open again, and we're ready to take you back in time to experience the values, skills, and customs of the past. So, why don't we venture inside and we'll discover how to make the most of your visit. When you first arrive, you might notice that some things look a little different. We've introduced enhanced cleaning regimes and distance marking to keep you safe whilst you explore the museum. And our recommended routes are here to ensure you get to enjoy all of our yesteryear locations without ever losing your way. We want to give you and all our visitors the time and space to enjoy every experience. At the Ulster Folk Museum, you'll still be able to enjoy craft demonstrations, visit the farm animals, and pop into our much-loved sweet shop. Of course, there are objects, large and small, on display in the museum, and it's the job of our collections care team to look after every single one. We're asking you not to handle the objects, to keep you and them safe. As a charity, we rely on your support. And what trip would be complete without a stop at the museum shop? We've made browsing a pleasurable experience, and if something does catch your eye, contactless payments are preferred. Just pre-book your date and time slot on our website, and our welcome team will be here to help you validate your ticket on arrival. At the Ulster Folk Museum, we're good to go, with plenty of space for you to explore. And we're really looking forward to looking back with you. Find out all you need to know about your visit and book now at nmni.com.